So, thank you, first of all, for being a part of this activity. We're creating an interface for a text editing application to help improve journalists' writing. The app's purpose is to encourage accuracy in writings that are published on the internet. So the insights from the study will guide us in designing the user flow of the product. So we'll be recording this just to supplement the notes that we take on how you complete the tasks. The video will only include your hands as you walk through the paper prototype. So just let me know if you have any questions as you go through the process and all. Just feel free, okay? So yeah, try to think out loud and talk about the options that you're considering. And before you do anything, just explain the other things that you might have considered and why you picked the ones that you did. So yeah, just introduce yourself. What's your name again?
Okay, I'm C0001 from Product Design.
Okay. So tell me a little bit about the experience you have with computers.
What kind of? You ask me about? Just using.
Yeah, like how much do you use computers?
Almost every day.
Okay, so you use a lot. Okay.
Yes.
So do you feel pretty confident using a PC, like a desktop?
I'm using MacBook right now, and I feel like their touchpad is really useful, and as well as the keyboard feeling. Yeah.
Cool. And how much do you use the internet?
Internet, like that's pretty often. Like. Yeah.
Okay. What kind of websites do you use regularly, and what do you find most useful?
Can I say Pinterest?
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You're asking me about the website, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so Pinterest has got a lot of different things on it, and then we always use it to search for like some reference stuff. Yeah, so.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. So I'll explain what's in front of you.
Okay.
This is a computer. So this is an article that needs editing, and this is not a touchscreen. Just to be clear, I'm going to ask you to perform a few tasks. While you're doing it, just remember there are no right or wrong answers, so don't worry about messing up. And use the pen in front of you to indicate the options you would use. Okay, so my first task for you is to select the first sentence and change it to a heading.
Okay. So I move my mouse here like this, and I click at the before the first letter and drag it here, and I maybe go to the window bar and I find the title and then click it and change it, like maybe move it here to let it become a title. Yeah, that's it.
Okay. Okay. Now select any word and make it bold.
Okay, so move my mouse maybe for this word. I select it as I did before, and I maybe go to Control and B to make it bold. Or another way, I would just use like right click, and there's has a like something popped out, and I have a bold on it. I'll just click it and then make it bold.
Okay. Now take that word and make the font size bigger.
Font size bigger? Okay, so yeah, maybe I would just go and Control and like upper, like up and down to make it like bigger or smaller. But that's my way to do it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, insert an image from your computer after the second paragraph.
After the second paragraph, like you mean here?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna just click here first, and then maybe right click, and then there's a insert dot on there, and then just click insert, and then just insert a picture there. Or maybe I'll just go Control and I, and then to like have the insert like window pops out, so I have to select my picture and insert it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now make a citation for the image.
Citation?
Like a source. So if you got the image from the internet and you need to tell where it's from, just how would you include that in the article?
I'm gonna just write it at like very end of the article.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so find a sentence and select it.
So I just maybe click here and drag it and relieve my mouse.
Okay.
Yes, that's the way I do it.
Okay. and add a source to the sentence.
Just maybe like put some stars after it, and then like put it on the end and say this sentence come from where. Yeah, so I rarely use the source, like the function of that. So yeah, that's my way to do it.
Okay. So there is a spelling error in a word in here. Just imagine there is. It's all in Latin. So how would you fix it?
Because I'm using MacBook, so maybe there's something like had a red underline on it. I'll just click it and enter.
Okay.
Like they'll change it into a like correct word.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so imagine the editor is suggesting 5 sources that can improve the accuracy of your article. So how would you add all the sources to your article?
So like for example, if I have to say like where this word come from, right? I'll just like maybe select it first, and maybe right click and then just add a link to it. Yeah. So you by clicking this sentence, you can just like head to that link like directly. So that's my way to do it. Are you asking about it?
Oh yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so you have successfully edited this article. Preview how the finished article would look like to the reader.
Oh, okay. So maybe further thing about it is go to the window bar and select maybe just edit, and there's something say preview there. I'll just click it and there's a preview. Or maybe I would prefer to like have some like shortcut, maybe like Control F1 or like just F1 or just maybe Control and I don't know 1, something like that to make it easier. Yeah.
Okay. Last task. Publish the article.
Okay. So I would prefer to just have something like on the keyboard. Maybe just P and there's a window popping out, and it says publish to like there's a section that have like different website you can select. I just click it and it'll just automatically pop out like publish out for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, that was everything. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
All right.
Again, you did a good job.
Thank you.